Hello everyone, I am Zebi and today I will be presenting our science experiment and it's entitled Plant Power, exploring how soil affects growth. This activity aims to observe and compare how different types of soil affects the growth and development of the mung bean plants. Now I will show you the materials and procedures we used in conducting this experiment. For this experiment, we will be needing 4 clear plastic cups, potting soil, sand, gravel, mung bean seeds, gloves, water in a spray bottle, scissors, a marker, and a rule. First, I labeled each cup according to the material it will contain: potting soil, sand, gravel, and control. The control cup was left empty to serve as a basis for comparison. After preparing the cups, I planted 2 mung bean seeds in the center of each cup, about 1 inch deep. I gently covered the seeds with the material. I carefully sprayed water on each cup to keep the seed moist. I made sure that all conditions were the same except for the type of soil used. We'll observe the growth of the mung bean plants from day 1 to day 5. I will record their height, appearance, and development using an observation chart. Today is day 2 of my experiment. I observed that 1 mung bean seed in the control cup has started to germinate. A small right root is already visible. The mung bean seeds in the potting soil, sand, and gravel have no visible sprouts yet because they are germinating beneath the materials. The height of the plants is 0 centimeters in all cups. After my observation, I will gently spray water on all the cups to keep the seeds moist. I will make sure that each cup receives the same amount of water so that the only variable in this experiment is the type of soil. Today is day 3 of my experiment. I noticed the mung bean seeds have started to germinate. The seeds in the potting soil show the best growth with small roots and sprout already visible. The seed in the sand has no visible growth yet compared to the potting soil. This shows that the germination process has begun and potting soil appears to provide better condition for early plant growth. And now let's spray water in each cup. Today is day 4 of my experiment. I observed that the mung bean plants continued to grow. The plants in the potting soil showed the fastest growth and looked healthier than the others. The sprouts in the gravel cup also continued to grow, while the seedlings in the sand cup showed the slower development. The control cup showed only a very tiny sprout, which was too small to measure accurately. Today is day 5 of my experiment. I observed that the mung bean plants continued to develop. The plants in the potting soil had the best overall growth, with the tallest stems and healthier leaves. The plants in the gravel and sand cups also grew, but they were shorter. The control cup showed the least growth, with only a very tiny sprout that was still too small to measure accurately. Based on my 5-day experiment, I learned that the mung bean plants grow best in potting soil. The plants in the potting soil grew the tallest and healthiest. The plants in the sand and gravel also grew, but more slowly, while the control cup showed little to no growth. Therefore, I conclude that the potting soil is the best growing medium for mung beans. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.